am very exciting. During the pitching session, I was very nervous. Sometimes I had the feeling that I'm more nervous than participants. Those ideas they are presenting, they are very interesting. Some of them very, very innovative. We as EIT Food will try to help them to develop their idea and to transfer to real business. It has to be step by step. So what we are proposing to them is like just go on the website, find the online courses, find summer school that you could fit and learn.
Občutki so tako res neverjetni, ker pač jaz nisem v life mislil si, da bom za neko svojo idejo lahko dobil toliko denarja, tak funding za pač to, da se dejansko to izpelje. Tako da delal sem kar malo šokiran, ampak tako ful dobro, pozitivno šokiran. In ja, samo tako naprej.